My name's Andrew Brown and I'm the CTO for a company called Elasticito. We specialize in risk and threat and alerting organizations to the risks and threats that they may face. We work with Scytale on the compliance side because a lot of the time with what we're doing with regards to supply chain and frameworks, Scytale fits in very, very nicely with the discussions that we are having with our customers and prospects because of the frameworks that they actually need to comply with. So what we've really enjoyed about working with Scytale and their platform and the team is the collaboration, the willingness to assist, the ease of use of the platform, the way that they have listened to what we need out of the platform, what customer needs out of the platform, and how easy it is to actually demonstrate the platform to customers, along with being able to explain why this is actually going to deliver value to the customer moving forward. And it's been very easy to actually get that message across to prospects and for them to understand why they need a tool like Scytale.